Hey, it's Christina, aka Miss Lomac, and today is Friday, or should I say Friday? Hey. Anyway, I wanted to come on because I remember seeing some people on Instagram and on YouTube talking about how they raised their document cameras. I thought, like, oh yeah, that's a good idea, because I remember struggling last year trying to get a lot of the artwork in the frame. And right here, let me show you what I have so far. Can you see right there? Where is it? See right there? That is my current situation. And I had some of those clear acrylic drawers that I got from Dollar Tree right here. I had a couple of those, so I'm going to try that out and see if they will fit underneath it and give it the height that I need. So let's see. Let me turn on my projector. For the projector for my document camera. This. Okay, it's good because these two are about the same height. I might only need one. Let's see if I could show you up here. Let's go over to my workstation, which is my desk where I have my outlet, and then we're going to glue them together. All right, so they have a little lid on here, a little lip on here around this part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the hot glue in there, and then it's like a little lip right here, and then I'm going to push it down in there. So let's start. You want to turn it sideways so you can line them up. And just push and that way it's even on all sides. Turn it on this side so it'll be even on that side, and all you have to do is focus on lining it up in the front and the back. And that way you'll make sure that they're directly on top of each other. And then get the little drawers and decide which one you want on top and which one you want on the bottom. So now you have double stacked acrylic drawers. That's the only thing. Eraser right here, it's a really good eraser, another Dollar Tree find. Now let's go over to the document station. Alright, now that I have them both glued together, I'm just going to put it underneath the document camera. I mean, it is perfectly aligned. See that? perfectly aligned. That little trick. Turn so you can see. Perfectly aligned. Put it it has the little feet. And just center it. Underneath. Where you want it to go. And then right here, have about an inch. Have about an inch on each side. Alright, so with the two drawers underneath the document camera, you have about an inch on each side when the paper is turned horizontally. And if you turn it vertical, you have maybe 2 inches or so. Yeah, have about 2 inches on each side. So I highly recommend going and getting or trying to find these drawers if you want to raise up your document camera in a very inexpensive way. Hopefully that helps. Teacher Tip Tuesday. It's Miss Lomac. Please subscribe to my channel. I would like to get to 100 subscribers. So please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share my little tidbit. All right, until next time, see you.